Hi guys, how are you? This is Abel Tejeda with The Mortgage Guys. And today I'm going to talk to you guys about the 3 biggest mistakes to avoid when refinancing. Especially right now that everybody hears about rates going up, rates coming down. I mean, rates are all over the place. But these are the 3 mistakes that I would advise every single one of you to avoid when doing a refinance. First mistake is not optimizing your score as much as possible. Most refinances and most programs are credit driven. So optimize your credit. There are little things you can do. If you have available cash, for example, right now it's almost tax refunds. Actually, a lot of you already getting your refund. It makes sense to pay down some cards to increase your FICO score. That way you can get a better rate. It's really easy. Credit scores are easily manipulated. You know what? That's not the right word. Well, there's no better way to describe it. You can manipulate or increase your score. That way you can get a better rate. So if you have some money saved, use it. I mean, if you're especially if you're doing a cash out refinance, you'll be getting that money out. So make sure that you optimize your score. Mistake number 2, using equity for the wrong reasons. I see this all the time. People coming to me and telling me, Abel, I need to refinance. I want to cash out. I want 100,000 because we're going to Hawaii and I want to buy my wife a Mercedes. Obviously, the money's yours. You do with it whatever you want. Just be aware that you will be paying that debt for the next 30 years, 20 years, however many years. But be careful with that. Use that equity to pay off high interest rate debt. If you have credit cards, personal loans that are killing you 40%. I see that especially with payday loans. Of course, use that to pay it off because if not, they crush you. But be careful and smart with what you do with your equity. Mistake number 3, refinancing too often. This is another mistake, and it drives me crazy. And most of the time, it's not the borrower's fault. It's because they don't have somebody that's advising them correctly. If you're thinking of refinancing, sit down and really think about projects that you have coming up, events. For example, your daughter's getting married in the next couple of years, your son's going to college, you have 2 kids that are going to private school, your car just broke down, whatever it might be. Sit down, write it down, and calculate exactly how much it would need. Don't say, I'll refinance again in 2 years, because number 1, who knows where rates will be at. Right now, rates are low, they're going up, so more than likely they will keep going up, so be careful with that. That's number 1. Number 2, every single time you refinance, there are costs involved. So you're just going to keep adding money to your balance over and over and over when everything could have been tackled that first time. If you're trying to go from FHA to conventional, if you're trying to lower your interest rate, if you're trying to take cash out, all of those things can be accomplished in that one refinance. No need to do multiple refinance to do multiple things. So make sure you really think about the reasons why you want to refinance. And if you want help, if you want advice, let me know. I'll sit down. We can do it over Zoom. We can do it over the phone. But let's talk about what your goals are, what your needs are, and strategize. See exactly if it makes sense to refinance. Do it now, wait, get a line of credit, whatever it might be. My phone number is 619-948-2996. Email abel@abeltejeda.com. Reach out and let's set you up for success. Talk to you soon.